Oh, respectable audience, 15 divided by 5 times 3. Here, 5 times 3 will be equal to 15. And here is 15 divided by 15. So 15 divided by 15 will be equal to 1. Hence 1 will be our answer. But remember that 1 is not our answer. So I will solve 15 divided by 5 times 3. So first of all, when division and multiplication are in the same question, we have to move from left to right. Mean we have to solve this division first and multiplication will be solved secondly. So 15 divided by 5 will be equal to 3 times 3. Hence 3 times 3 will be equal to 9. So our answer will be equal to 9. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.